The Egg Force Reader, by ORKA Food Technology. To begin a test with the Egg Force Reader, first turn the machine on. Ensure the gauge is powered on as well. If not, press the green button to turn it on. While some models sync automatically, others require you to manually turn it on. The machine will not work unless the gauge is turned on. Place the egg on the cradle, and press the start button. Once the test is complete, the data is automatically stored in the machine's memory and printed. You can download all recorded data to your PC later. Horizontal testing. To perform a test in the horizontal position, use this gray cradle provided with the machine. Place the cradle onto the spring, place the egg on it, and press start. For working with a PC and software, refer to page 13 of our operator's manual. For downloading and saving data, refer to page 21 of our operator's manual.